Okay, in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to mount it, the switch and the handle. Now, on these handles, most or a lot of these handles already have a small hole drilled in them here. And if that's the case, all you have to do is drill that hole out. Now, some of the other ones I've seen will have this little square block here, but they have no hole in them. And in that case, then you would have to center punch that and get it centered. Where it's already got a hole in like this one, it makes it quite simple. But you're going to need that. You're going to need a 7mm. Most of these switches are a 7mm by 0.75 thread. And so you'll need a tap, a 7mm tap to do that. You know, you can buy this at your local hardware store. So to drill this for the 7mm, I'm using a 15/64 bit. That's just one size smaller than a quarter. So we're going to mount this in our vise, and I'll mount that in the vise, and then just try and drill this out as straight as I can. It's aluminum, it drills fairly easy. So now I have it drilled out. So now all I have to do is thread it, and I pull the handle back to do that. And basically just have to screw the tap in, try to get it started straight. And okay. So now we have our threads in here. Then we take the switch that we previously done, and normally I put the nut on that was supplied with the switch. I put it on first. Then I usually put the lock washer on top of that. Then basically just screw that in, and you want the switch, you have to get it adjusted about right. On this one, it's going to come out just about to where it's screwed all the way in. You may have to stop short and then tighten the nut in to tighten it. Now we're gonna check it here. We've got it screwed in. Before we tighten it here, I'm going to put my meter on it. Now this time it's not showing continuity because the handle's up. Now when I pull the handle back, see the switch comes back out, and that's when the light would come on. So now right now I've got the light coming on about you know, right in there, which would be pretty close to being right. That's about when your brake starts to come on. So basically, then all we need to do is tighten it up, and there again, don't over tighten it. Remember, you're in aluminum, and we're going to tighten it there against the lock nut, and we have our brake light switch installed. Thank you.